Gonna open up all the doors of my heart and let the light of his love come in. Gonna open up all of my doors. Gonna open up all of my doors. Gonna open up all of my doors and let the light of his love come in. Gonna say a prayer every day till some happiness comes my way. Gonna open up all of my doors and let the light of his love come in. Gonna open up the
front door, the wide door, the back door, the side door.
All the doors of my heart. Gonna open up
the left door, the right door, the day door, the night door. Now the time to start.
Gonna put aside everything cause I wanna hear the angels sing. Gonna open up all of my doors and let the light of his love come in. Gonna open up the front door, wide door, back door, side door. All the doors to my heart. Open up the left door, right door, day door, night door. Now the time to start. Gonna put aside everything cause I wanna hear the angels sing. Gonna open up all the doors to my heart and let the light of his love come in. And let the light of his love come in. And let the light of his wonderful love come in.
And we've had a wonderful time, and it's now getting a little bit late, and I want you to sort of wake up with me here. This is a good old hand-clapping, foot-patting kind of a song. I want everybody to put your hands together, and let's clap our hands now while the boys sing. All right, here we go.
Open up the front door, the right door, the back door, the side door. Open up the left door, the right door, the day door, the night door. Now the time to start.
Gonna put aside everything cause I wanna hear the angels sing. Gonna open up all of my doors and let the light of his love come in. Gonna